A key part of sales is emailing people. And if you want to email people, then you need their email address. If you want to email someone, often the email address isn't actually on the website. If you want to email a CEO of a certain organization, or the head of marketing of a certain organization, or whoever, more often than not, the email actually isn't there. So you have to find someone's email address. So how do you do that? It's actually quite easy. All you do is you find out the website name of the organization that you're looking for, and you copy the first part of that. So you take out www. You highlight the website. So for example, popupbusinessschool.co.uk, you highlight that, you put an @ symbol in front of that, and then you put the person's name with a space. So for example, you put James Headspace at popupbusinessschool.co.uk into Google, hit enter, and it will show you a list of results. And in those results, it will probably show you my email address. And that's the format that I do to find people's email addresses that I want to email. Very, very simple to do. So get out there, see what you can find, and good luck.
And we have an entire series of events coming up in 2018 that we're really excited to share with you. So keep checking the events page on the website to find out where we're going to be in 2018. We're going to be in America, we'll be in New Zealand, and we'll be all across Wales, the UK, England, and Scotland. It's going to be great fun, and I look forward to meeting you at an event soon.
See you there.